How to draw Captain Hook, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of drawing Captain Hook, we're going to begin by drawing two very small eyebrows towards the top center of the page. Well done! Now starting from the left eyebrow, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the face, but it will not go all the way around because on the right hand side, the eye will make up for the right outline. Next, right beneath those eyebrows, we're going to begin to draw the eyes. You can draw the pupil by using a completely filled in small black dot, or you can make the pupil by using a small white dot in the center with the rest of it filled in completely black. For an example, when I first draw my pupil, I will leave a small white dot in the center, then I will fill it in completely black. Now a little to the left, let's go ahead and begin to draw the outline of our left eye. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now we're going to begin to draw the nose, which will connect to the right eye. Directly below and connected to the nose, we're going to begin to draw two long curved lines, which will be for the mustache. Well done, so far this is a great start. Now we're going to begin to draw the nose, which will be right below the mustache. This part might be a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video if you have any problems at all. This is one of our first drawings of a Disney character in a long time. Would you like to learn how to draw Peter Pan as well? If so, give this video a big like and comment Peter Pan down below in the comments. Now we will draw a small line to connect the eyebrow to the right eye. Whoa, I'm really happy with the way that my Captain Hook's face turned out. Now on each side of the head we're going to begin to draw the hair. Later on in the video you'll notice that the hair will be colored in completely black. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing colored in so you can pause the video and match your colors. Fantastic! Now we have the hair as well as the face completed. For the next step, we're going to go right above the head and we're going to begin to draw a hat. Now the next line that we draw will be a very big curved line that will connect all the way down to the right side of hair. For the last step of drawing the hats, we're going to draw this huge feather piece that Captain Hook has on the top of his hat. We're making great progress. Now we're going to go right below the head and we're going to begin to draw the top of the undershirt of Captain Hook. As of right now, we are all done drawing the head as well as the hat. Right below what we just drew together, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the bottom of Captain Hook's jacket. Next, we'll draw a long, curvy rectangular shape that is going across Captain Hook's body. Later on in the video, you'll notice that this will be colored in completely brown. Now we'll draw a second shape that is curvy going up and down, looking similar to what we just drew together, but this will be connected to what we just made. Now we're all done drawing the chest as well as the front of the jacket. Now we're going to begin to draw the arms as well as the hands. The right arm will be the hand with the hook, and the left arm will be the hand that has the sword. Before we draw the hook, we'll add one more small shape that will be connected to the jacket. This will represent the undershirt. Now let's move on over to the left hand side and we'll begin to draw the left arm before we draw the sword. The top of the sword will not be connected to the arm or the part of the sleeve. The blade of the sword will come to a sharp point towards the bottom. Before we continue, let's take a quick second to look back and see what we have drawn so far of Captain Hook. We have the face, the hair, the hat, as well as the right hook, as well as the left sword, and the chest. Now we're going to begin to draw the legs. The first leg that we draw will be the right leg, and in this triangle it will appear as if the legs are crossed. I'm going to slide my paper up just a little bit to make sure that you see everything. In order to color the shoes, we'll need two colors, a black and a yellow. But before we color, let's move over to the left hand side and let's draw the second leg as well as foot. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of Captain Hook came out fantastic. If you'd like me to see it, then be sure to share it with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. And if you'd like to draw with me in the future, then be sure to subscribe so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that I post every single day. Great job today, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.